in this before they come up?
Oh, we'll get all that screwed away here in a bit.
At least we don't have to worry about them jumping out of the cage. Like the shrimp too.
No, and they can't get, once they get in the pot, they can't get out either. Not like shrimp.
Yeah.
Like when you got a nice shrimp pot sitting there and you see one, like a big one, jump even and get its tail out and then pop out and go back in the water, it's like, come over here and get it when it comes up here. It's not too far off now.
Let me stand over here.
You're gonna look right in the water as it comes up here.
So just tell me when you want to move.
Amber switch.
Yeah, you want to get it? Okay, here it comes. There's at least one in there, guys.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the crap. Holy Toledo. We got out of the way, Nick? Wow.
Step back now.
It's stuck. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Now we're going to bring it up a little bit higher here.
It's stuck.
Oh, dude.
Everybody stay on this side of the boat.
Grab that and just drift forward on it. If it pops back down, then it won't hurt nothing. Yeah.
Why don't you climb on the back deck, babe, and He-Man that thing up?
That's where I like this guy. A little bit better.
Just hang on, Nick. Don't get your hands all
Here.
burned.
Do it like this. Hey, Mike, go ahead and let it down. Do me a favor and put your foot right in here and step that straight down. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Okay, we got her there. Okay, now stand by just a second.
Video, whatever. This video.
Hold on. This thing likes to come off of here. Okay. I was hoping for a better hole after a couple days. Anyways, grab this rope right here, Mike, so this all doesn't slide off of here.
This rope, right?
Just keep it pinned right there as you swing it.
Woo!
Okay, now go ahead and loosen up on it some. It'll start, yeah, go ahead and let her down. We're gonna set it right on the back here. And then, go ahead and loosen up more. Okay, now where is he? Okay, so right here, I got it double tied in case that rubber deal ever breaks. So this gets untied here. Okay. Well enough.